Welcome to Warifin. Whether you're investing for the very first time or you're an experienced investor, the key to success isn't guessing, it's following a disciplined research process. In this training, you'll complete Warifin workflow that takes you from discovering investment opportunities to making more informed investment decisions. Think of Warifin as your investment operating system. Every feature has a purpose. By following the recommended workflow, you'll avoid emotional investing and instead make decisions based on structured research. Every investment starts with understanding the market. Begin by opening the dashboard. Here you'll see current market conditions, sector performance, and overall sentiment. Next, open Big Picture. This feature summarizes the broader market outlook and helps you understand whether market conditions are favorable for taking new positions. Great investors always begin with the market before analyzing individual companies. Once you understand the market, it's time to search for opportunities. Use the stock screener to filter thousands of companies based on your preferred investment criteria. Looking for strong growth, high quality, undervalued companies? The screener makes it easy. Then explore AI rankings to identify companies receiving strong AI ratings. Finally, compare your ideas with weekly picks to discover additional investment opportunities you may have overlooked. Finding a stock is only the beginning. Now it's time to validate your investment. Open Warifin Intelligence. This is the research brain of the platform. Start by reviewing fair value. This tells you whether the current stock price appears undervalued, fairly valued, or overvalued. Next, review company analysis. Here you'll evaluate financial strength, business quality, growth potential, profitability, and valuation. Then examine the opportunity score. Finally, check institutional confidence to understand how professional investors are positioned. This phase helps separate great businesses from average ones. Before making any decision, seek confirmation. Open AI Stock Analyzer. It summarizes the overall investment signal using easy-to-understand AI insights. Then review the stock detail page. Analyze recent price action, support levels, resistance levels, and important technical zones. This helps determine whether the timing of your investment makes sense. Smart investors rarely buy immediately. Instead, they look for additional confirmation. Open Warifin Alpha to review institutional activity. Are professional investors accumulating shares or reducing exposure? Then add promising companies to your watch list. Observing a stock for several days often leads to better investment decisions. Once you've identified a high-quality opportunity, it's time to prepare your investment. Open AI Investment Coach. This feature explains potential risks, educational insights, and important considerations before investing. Next, use the Wealth Builder calculator to estimate an appropriate position size based on your financial goals. Finally, document your investment thesis inside Thesis Tracker. Writing down your reasoning helps improve discipline and allows you to review your decisions over time. Before investing, ask yourself 5 important questions. Does the overall market support new investments? Is the company fundamentally healthy? Does it receive a strong Warifin rating? Does Warifin provide a positive overall investment signal? And finally, are institutional investors supporting the stock instead of selling? If you can confidently answer yes to these questions, you've completed the recommended Warifin research process. This is the complete Warifin workflow. Follow this process consistently, and you'll make investment decisions based on research rather than emotion. Investing is a journey, and discipline is one of your greatest advantages. Warifin is designed to help you research companies in a structured and disciplined way before making investment decisions. Remember, no platform can guarantee future investment results. Always perform your own due diligence, understand the risks, and invest responsibly. Thank you for choosing Warifin. Research smarter, invest smarter, build wealth with confidence.